Hey, welcome to my channel, Cooking with Manual Focus, and today we're going to be making some absolutely delicious smoked turkey legs. Now we're going to get these bad boys on the smoker, we're going to get them basted with some honey and some butter, and then we got to get that bad boy taste tested. Now you see that right there, bite through skin. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to get these bad boys prepared, get them on your smoker so you get some nice juicy smoked turkey legs like that. Alright Focus fam, so we got these turkey legs out and we're going to get these brine. So I got 5 cups of water and 5 tablespoons of kosher salt. So the general rule of thumb is that every cup of water that you have, you need a tablespoon of kosher salt. Now you can customize your brine however you like it. You can add some more seasonings to it. Now if you want to do something like garlic, bay leaves, or anything that's going to, give some more flavor, you will want to heat that brine up, get it to a boil, and then cool it back down there and place your turkey into it. But we're going to bake a little, cold brine, so we're going in with the water and the salt, and then I got me some brown sugar. And I'm gonna get everything mixed in, and then we're gonna be ready to go. We're gonna let these sit overnight, and we're gonna be in the game. All right, fam, we got this brine all mixed in. Simple brine, 5 cups of water, 5 tablespoons of salt. Then we went with about 1/3 of a cup of light brown sugar. We're gonna let this sit in overnight, and then we're gonna break it out. Now the reason why I didn't go with the additional seasonings, because we're gonna season this bad boy up before we place it on that smoke. So these turkey legs are brine, so we're gonna get them out of that brine, let them dry for a couple minutes, and then we're gonna get them prepared. So fam, we let these turkey legs drip dry, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this avocado spray oil, and I'm gonna use that as a binder, and it's also gonna help my turkey legs crisp up when I get them in that smoker. And then I'm going in with one of my favorite BBQ rubs that I've been working on, and we're gonna get these seasoned, and we're gonna do this front and back. We're gonna get that smoker up to temp. We're gonna go 275, around about 300, but probably gonna stay around in that 275 range, and we're gonna let these bad boys get to where they need to be. Now here's the key. We're gonna take these turkey legs, and we're probably gonna go up to about 185, 190. They'll still be, tender enough, and they won't dry out on you. So I'm not gonna worry about that. I want that skin to be bite through. So that's why I'm gonna take it up, about 185, 190. And that's gonna make that skin, perfect. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna finish getting these ready to go, seasoned up, and we'll see you guys at the smoker. All right, folks, fam, so we got that smoker. Hey, it's speaking to me. You see that blue smoke right there. These turkey legs are ready to go in the smoker. We sitting at about 275. And we gonna get these bad boys on. They already smelling good just from the seasoning. When that smoke hit it, hey, we gonna be in the game, fam. Now, fam, what we gonna do is we gonna drop that top, and we gonna let that bad boy do his thing, right? So if you're looking, you ain't cooking, hey, like I said, we gonna go 275, 300 degrees, right? In that sweet spot, that range right there. What we wanna do is we wanna make sure that that turkey gets cooked all the way, and the key to it is that skin, right? We want to make sure that skin is nice, it's able to be bitten through, and it's absolutely delicious. So I'm gonna take this bad boy up to about 185, 190, then we're gonna bring them out. So in the process, I might even wrap them, put them in a little bit of honey so we can get like a little honey flavor, and that's gonna be absolutely delicious. So I'm gonna decide on that, but I'm gonna let these bad boys go and smoke for a little while, and then we'll come back, make that decision, and see where we go from there. All right, fam, so those turkey legs have been going for a while. So what we want to do right now is we want to get an internal temp, see where these turkey legs are, and if they're in a good spot, I would say about 180. Then we'll go ahead and sauce them up. So like I said, I probably do like a butter honey sauce, right? And then if it's not, we'll let them roll a little bit longer. So let's see how these bad boys are coming. Hey, they looking good, fam. So what we want to do is we want to get our thermometer and get as close to the bone as we can get. And as you can see right there, they're exactly where I want them to be. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get us some honey and some butter, and we're gonna get these bad boys sauced up. So I'm gonna show you guys what I'm working with. A couple tablespoons of butter, a couple tablespoons of honey, and now what we want to do is we want to take this and we want to get these turkey legs based with this honey butter mixture. Fam, that's gonna be good right there. And we're gonna flip them so we can get all sides coated. And I was thinking about wrapping these, but fam, they look good. I wanted to get enough smoke on them, so I think they're in good shape. And fam, they smell absolutely delicious. So we'll get the rest of these based with this butter and this honey, and we'll see you guys in a little bit. We'll let these roll for about 10 more minutes and let that honey butter do its thing, and we'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, fam, it's time to take these turkey legs off the smoker. They look absolutely phenomenal. Look at us right here. Yes, sir. Hey, we in the game, fam. I already want to take a bite out of one of these, but I'm gonna let them rest. But we in the game. All right, folks, fam, there you have it. You got your absolutely delicious smoked turkey legs. Look at that right there. Hey, you already know what we gotta do. We gotta get us bad boy taste test. And hey, fam, cheers. That's good. And look at that right there. Nice and juicy. And that thing is tender too. That's real good. You already seen bite through skin. That's good, fam. Yeah, that's absolutely delicious. Hey, that thing got my mouth all messed up, but I'm gonna tell you, that's absolutely delicious, fam. And if you're new to the channel and you like this content, hey, go ahead and smash that like button, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button so you know when I release my content. Now, for the Focus fam that's been rolling me for a while, you already know what I gotta do. I gotta smash into these smoked turkey legs, and we'll see you guys on the next recipe. Hey, peace.